So my friends, the next example is nothing but it is a mixture of basically all the practical examples we have told you. So the concept is that whatever we have taught you in practical example 1, 2 and 3, you just need to use them, mix them, and you have to create your prompt. For example, here you can see that we have created one prompt using practical example 1, 2 and 3. We just mix up all the strategies which we have learned and we have created the prompt. For example, you can see ignore all previous instructions before this one. You are an expert Python engineer. You have been helping with Python scripts code for 20 years. Your task is now to help me write Python script for my needs. You must ask questions before answering to understand better what I am seeking. Tell me if you identify optimization methods in my listening or overall goals. Is that understood? So what we have done is that we simply mix up the practical example 3, 2 and 1 together. Okay, so this will going to help you to better write prompts in any field, and when you will going to click on enter button, ChatGPT will going to give you the response, right? So in this way, my friends, you can just get the response. So for example, you can say write me Python code to convert JPEG images to, let's say, PNG, something like this. Okay, so you can just say okay, so you can see it will going to write all the code for you. Okay, and it will also going to explain you. Okay, so in this way, my friends, you can basically learn about anything and you can just write the prompts in a way you want to. Okay, that's it. And if you just go ahead and you can see, if you will just directly paste this question, write me Python code to convert JPEG images to PNG, so it will going to give you a response, and you can just compare this response which we have written from this prompt, and if you you can just compare with this particular question. Okay, so you will going to see the difference. For example, if I just going to go ahead and if I just go ahead and if I directly paste this response over here, and then you can see it will also give the response, but here you can see it is not giving you the response it should be. Okay, like it is not giving very in-depth code here. If you are a Python scripter, so you might know about that. Okay, so in this way you can see it will going to give you very simple easy response, because you have already told that you are an expert, and even if you are not understanding, so you can even add the factor of a child. Okay, so which we have given you age factor also you can include, like you can say, hey, please explain like you explain to a 6 years old kid. Okay, so it will going to response according to that. So the concept is very simple. In this practical example, okay, just include the practical 1, 2, 3 and 4 which we have taught you. Okay, and this will going to help you a lot. So basically in the practical example 4 we have just taught you in style. Okay, in anyone's style, so you can even add that. Okay, so in this way, my friends, you can just mix up all the prompts strategy which we have given you, and you can just do a lot of things using any LLM models, including whether it's a ChatGPT or any other LLM models like Google Bart, Go here, okay, or any other LLM models. Okay.